dear students, welcome to your VBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are staying safe at home and you have enjoyed your holidays. Students, you all know that we were studying English language, lesson number 3, articles a and the. Today we will do 2 exercises in our book from page number 13 and 14. So students, take out your book and start the work and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Students, you all know that I have already explained you the lesson articles a and the. Today we will do some exercises in the book. Before that, we will revise the chapter again. You all know how many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. And those alphabets are divided into vowel and consonant. What are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And consonant B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Right? And what are articles? Articles are a and the. Right? And we use vowel with before A, E, I, O, U. Right? And in front of consonant we use the or a. Right? So here we will do some exercises. Write V for words beginning with vowels and C for those beginning with consonants in the given circle. You will remember that A, E, I, O, U are vowel and all the remaining alphabets are consonant. So it is first one is shirt, so it is consonant. Second one is ball. It is not starting with A, E, I, O, U, so it is consonant. Third one is orange. It is vowel. Fourth one is clock, so it is consonant. Fifth one is consonant. Why these are consonant? Because they are not starting from A, E, I, O, U. Aeroplane, vowel. Duck, consonant. Egg, vowel. Question, consonant. Elephant, vowel. You can see those words which are starting from A, E, I, O, U, we have written V. V for vowels and C for consonants. Now we will read some words. A glass, a cup, a bag, a mango, a bed, a tap. What are these? These are A is used before the words beginning with a consonant sound. I already told you after leaving those 5 alphabets, the left remaining alphabets are consonants. Now read these words: an orange, an apple, an ice cream, an aeroplane, an egg, an igloo. An is used before the words beginning with a vowel sound. right? A-E-I-O-U. We also write an ass, an ant, an owl, an eye, an elephant, an R, an honest person, because here H is silent. Now we will come to exercise A, that is fill in the blanks with a or an. Number 1, that is an, because it is starting with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. E is there. Again E is, so we will write an. Second one, a day, because these are starting from consonant. And a night, a thread and a needle. Again they are starting from consonant, so we will use a duck and a hen. These both are starting from consonant. A toast and a bread. An aunt. Why an? Because it is starting with a vowel sound. And an uncle. A bow and an arrow. Right? And why? Because it is starting with the vowel sound. A boy, a girl, an octopus, an ostrich. Why an? Because these both are starting with an vowel sound O. A question, an answer, because it is starting with A, because an A is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. Now 11th one, a guitar and a violin. Why a? Because it is a consonant. An arm and a leg. Why an? Because it is starting with a vowel sound, and why over here a? It is starting with a consonant. 13th one, an odd and even number. Right? An is a consonant. And O is a vowel sound, and E is also vowel. So we will use an. So here you have to do these two exercises in your book, and then you will show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, students? Then start the work. I hope you have completed your work. Then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Your homework is learn the exercise from page number 13 and 14. Lesson number 3, articles a and the. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.